Okay. Remember, what will close this is turning the camera off. So be careful. Don't get fat fingers and shut it off while you're in there. You will destroy the shutter. Take your blower. Turn the camera upside down always, so the dust falls down. You do that a bunch of times. Next, you have your illuminated magnifier sensor magnifying glass. Before you buy this new, look on eBay for a used one. It doesn't have to be the JJC brand, it can be any brand. Okay? You put it right on top, and now you look. Okay, I can see we have some dirt at the 6 o'clock position.